nice view, isn't it? Wow. It's a pretty nice island these guys must have bought, huh? Must have cost a fortune. Wow, look at that mountain. What's up, Kelvin? How you doing? What's up, Fisheye?
Last signal was from 500 feet below ground. 7 months ago. You're not gonna find anyone alive down there.
Oh, really? Fun. We'll see about that. We got Edward Puffton, Puff Core CEO, his wife, socialite, don't know what that is. Got his daughter, Virginia Puffton. Student. Alright. Last transmission 14 days ago? So, I don't know. Alright, well, that's enough for the debrief. Fight needs. Oh, shoot, what's up? Oh, we're going down, we're going down. Oh, damn. This feels awfully familiar. What's going on? Hold on. We're gonna hit the mountain. Look out. Oh. Oh, no, not good, not good, not good. Oh. I think that guy's dead. Kelvin seems okay though. Oh no, 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 no. Who are you? Oh no. Don't do it. Wow. It's cold. Alright, well, we just crash landed. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be playing Sons of the Forest. I plan on making this, like a full series until I beat the game and stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, be sure to like and subscribe for more stuff like this. And yeah, so we're just gonna loot the plane, and we're gonna see what kind of stuff we can get. Okay, we got some decent stuff. Let's open up the emergency pack, see what we get. Okay. Keybind this as 1. Let's hope Kelvin up here. You're fine, Kelvin. Get up. Good, Kelvin. Ew, that's not good. There you go, Kelvin. Alright. Alright. I want you to follow me, Kelvin, okay? Take that, read it. Okay. Let's head down the mountain and see if we can find something, somewhere to build. Find the Puffton family and find B team. So we gotta head down here, it looks like. Can't deny the view though. Super nice. Whee! It's like a water slide. Whee! It's fine. Okay, so what we're gonna do first off is we're gonna find this guy, this Puffed and Corp guy, or B-Team guy, whatever he is, and we're gonna build somewhere. I can't remember what the settings I put on were. Oh yeah, it was just normal difficulty. So normal aggression, normal everything. Kind of wanted to see what the like seasons were and stuff, because there was an option I saw that said realistic. Same with like the day, and I wanted to know what that was, but it's like okay. Oh, he hung himself. Oh, flashlight. Let's take a look at this guy's face. Wonder why he took himself out. Can make this home at least. Yeah. This is a good spot to build. Oh. What's up, lady? Hey, Kelvin. Come here. Come on. Okay, there you go. Okay, I want you to get logs and drop them, okay? We're gonna build here. We're gonna build a nice house. We're gonna build like a mansion. What are you pointing at? Don't be a baby, Kelvin. You're fine. Come on, Kelvin, get chopping. Choppity chop, Kelvin. Timber! Look out, Kelvin. What are y'all doing, Kelvin? You're kind of useless. I'm sorry, but you're useless. Die. Go away. Trying to build a house, and y'all are just interrupting it. Die. Yeah, this is a good spot. I think that we should build here. Oh, well, half the base is gone now. Okay. Forgot about trees. Alright, well, oops. Virginia lady. Oh, what's up? Don't run away. Where are you going? I just want some logs, lady. Oh, I love this song. Yo, Kelvin, I just brought us some tunes. There we go. Now we can get some actual work done. This is like time-lapse music. We need some food. Let's see if we can get like a fish trap going or something. Let's see. Loves fish. Oh my gosh, the modern axe is such a step up. Whoa. Music's done. Thank you, Kelvin. I want you also to tell me what probably your favorite thing about Kelvin is. Because this guy is just amazing, bro. Like, look at him. Look at him. He's working so hard. He's a hard worker. Yeah, you're doing good, Kelvin. Good guy. Good man, good man. Oh! We all love the daytime. Make ourselves a door. Bada boom. Oh, there they are, Kelvin. I got him. I've got it, Kelvin. Yo, don't demonetize me, YouTube. Aw, man. Oh, yes, it's still going. I forgot what the guy's name is who composed all the music, but I just wanted to say, dude, you are an amazing musician, bro. Like, this stuff is actually really good. Dude, I could not imagine this game without, like, your music. Imagine how different it would be. like without kind of like the 80s vibe. That'd be weird. Alright, well, we got the floor done on the inside, so now I think we should move on to building the support beams. Oh. Get away from my house. Get. Back to work, Kelvin. Come on, buddy. Hi, Kelvin. You're doing good, buddy. Oh my gosh, we got fish. Fish for days. It's time to sleep.
When you need it most.
Alright, I think that's a good stop for today. We got a lot done on the base, as you can see. We got the first floor done, which I'm planning on having it be the storage room. As you can see, we've already got some stick storage. And then the second floor, we're gonna make it like our room and stuff that we're gonna sleep in. And then I plan on doing some big stuff, like building a balcony all around this, making this like super luxurious. And yeah, it's gonna look really cool when it's done. But anyways, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys later.